everyone, it's Miss Kelly
And Miss Kay
from the Mifflin County Library, back to tell you another story. Are you staying warm at home?
It's a chilly day here today.
It is a very chilly day. And you know what I like to do when it's chilly out?
What do you like to do?
I like to wrap myself up into a big blanket and just be cozy.
Sometimes I take a nap when I'm really cold.
Yes, me too. So, should we get started with story time? Let's get our hands out and we'll clap and sing. Let's all clap because our friends are here, friends are here, friends are here. Let's all clap because our friends are here, here for story time. All right, so I've got a story over here, Miss Kay.
I see this story. I love this story. Do you know this story?
It's called Bear Snores On. Oh, I could really use that blanket now. And maybe a nap. A nap.
Do you snore when you sleep?
Sometimes I snore. Just a little bit. Not a big bear snore. But just a little teeny tiny snore.
A nice dainty snore.
Yes, a nice dainty snore. Oh, look! There's a cave! And inside that cave, I see Bear. In a cave, in the woods, in his deep, dark lair. Through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear.
Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night.
The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Can you snore like a bear? Good job.
An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow.
Mouse squeaks. Too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. Well, that fire looks cozy.
It does look cozy. I bet that'll warm him right up.
Yes.
The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop.
But the
Bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" As Hare pops in.
Hare. That's a fancy word for rabbit.
That is a fancy word.
"Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Popcorn. White corn. They're having popcorn.
Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps.
But the bear snores on. It's really sleepy.
A badger scuttles by, sniffs in the air. I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we could share.
"I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in."
Honey nuts sound really yummy.
They do.
And they nibble and they munch with a chew-chomp crunch.
But the bear snores on. He must be really tired, Miss Kay.
I can't sleep through all that, can you?
Well, I was really tired. I bet I could.
A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door.
Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm," twitters Wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den.
I bet it's nice and cozy in that cave.
It does look cozy.
They tweet and they twitter. They chat and they chit. but the bear snores on.
In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look at that windy snow outside. Oh, I'm glad they're all in the cave keeping warm.
Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew.
Then a pepper fleck makes the bear
Ha, 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 achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes.
oh dear.
And the bear wakes up. Bear groans and he snarls. He roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles.
He doesn't seem like he's very happy.
You snuck in my lair. You've had all the fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none. Oh, and he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on.
Mouse squeaks. Don't fret. Don't fuss. Look, see. We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep.
But his friends snore on.
Oh my goodness.
Look, he's holding some of them to sleep.
All of his friends are sleeping and he's wide awake. I bet he's still cozy though with all his friends.
I bet he is.
Even while they sleep.
Do you like to be at home with Mama and Daddy and brothers and sisters when it's cold outside?
And wrapped up under a big warm blanket, and I really like to watch a movie.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah. Do you ever go outside and look at the snowflakes when they're coming down?
They're so pretty.
They are so pretty. Did you see how the storm was blowing the snow everywhere? The wind was blowing the snow everywhere in the story. They look, when they're blowing, they look like they're dancing, don't they?
They do. Miss Kelly, I know something about snowflakes. Do you know that no two snowflakes are exactly alike, just like people?
We're all different. Do you think, Miss Kay, we can sing a song about snowflakes?
I think we can. Do you think those snowflakes are going to dance?
I think they will. Do you have a scarf that you can wave around while we sing? If you don't, that's okay. You can dance at home while we sing. Are you ready? Here we go. Dance like snowflakes, dance like snowflakes in the air, in the air. Swirling, twirling snowflakes, whirling, twirling snowflakes everywhere, everywhere. That was really fun.
That was really
Can
fun.
we sing it again?
Let's do it.
A little bit faster.
A little bit faster.
Okay, ready? Dance like snowflakes, dance like snowflakes in the air, in the air. Swirling, twirling snowflakes, whirling, twirling snowflakes everywhere, everywhere. Oh, that was fun.
That was fun.
Miss Kay, do you think we can sing another song with our scarves?
I know another song. And
They had it in the story. Do you remember what they had? It was white corn, they called it. Do you know what that is?
popcorn.
It is. It's popcorn. I'm going to open my scarf up big and wide. Are you ready? Popcorn kernels, popcorn kernels in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them till they pop, till they pop. That was so much fun. I think I'm ready for some popcorn as a snack.
That would be great.
Yeah, maybe I'll go make some for later. wonderful day. Thank you for joining us for story time today. Bye.
Bye.